Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mark Domain Laminated 0.47 white is probably one of the most versatile and durable options available on the market today, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and robust performance that makes it a standout choice for a wide range of applications, from professional settings to personal projects. Its superior lamination ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear, while the crisp white color provides a clean and modern look that can complement any design scheme. Whether you're looking to enhance your workspace, create eye-catching displays, or simply need a reliable material for everyday use, this product is engineered to exceed expectations and deliver exceptional value. Number 5. Brother Ptouch 231 2-pack tape. Introducing the Brother Ptouch 231 2-pack tape. These are the most durable labels available for your Ptouch label maker, ensuring professional-looking results every time. Our labels are rigorously tested for long-term use in various environments. They are resistant to fading from sunlight, abrasion, water, and chemicals, performing well in extreme temperatures. Featuring a patented 7-layer lamination technology, these labels are thin yet remarkably durable. The text is protected between layers, preventing wear and tear and ensuring legibility. With superior adhesion, these labels stay put even under rigorous use. They are ideal for both smooth and textured surfaces and can even withstand dishwasher or microwave use. Find the perfect label for any job with our versatile range of colors, sizes, and styles. They are ideal for creating barcodes, QR codes, and organizing all your spaces. What we like. These labels are engineered for extreme durability and long-lasting adhesion. They are rigorously tested for rugged indoor and outdoor conditions, resisting fading, abrasion, water, and chemicals. If you need labels that can withstand harsh environments and heavy use, like in workshops, garages, or for outdoor equipment, this is your top choice. What people say. Peels off easily, adheres like it means it. I slapped some on a mildly textured plastic bin, no peeling, and the laminated print is crisp, waterproof, and hasn't smudged, even after I dragged the bin through half the house looking for gear. The black on white is clean and readable, and the tape feels tough enough to survive a few moves, mild spills, or whatever chaos IT techs throw at it. At half an inch wide, it's the perfect size for everyday labeling, big enough to read clearly but not so large that it looks clunky. The black on white contrast is sharp and professional, making it useful for files, containers, shelves, and even cables. It holds up well against water, smudging, and fading, so I've used it both indoors and in areas that get some moisture without issues. The backing splits cleanly for easy application, and once applied, the adhesive is strong enough to stay put but doesn't leave residue if removed carefully. These Brother tapes work great and fit my Brother printer perfectly. They are easy to use and stick well. I use them on shampoo bottles, and they stay on even after getting wet. Number 4. Markdomain 131 Clear Label Tape 4-pack. Introducing our 4-pack of Clear Label Maker tape. These 12mm tapes offer a clean and professional look for all your labeling needs. Our labels are built to last. They are resistant to water, grease, abrasion, and corrosion, ensuring your labels stay put in various conditions. Featuring a split backing design, applying these labels is a breeze. Just peel and stick for quick and effortless organization. These tapes are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Brother Ptouch label makers, providing versatile use for your home or office. Perfect for labeling files, shelves, cabinets, and more, both indoors and outdoors. Keep your space tidy and organized with these reliable labels. Each tape provides 26.2 feet of clear labeling material, ensuring you have plenty for all your organizational projects. Enjoy clear, legible labels every time. What we like. This tape offers a clear, transparent finish, allowing the surface underneath to show through. It's also designed with an easy-to-peel split backing for convenience. If you're looking for a discreet labeling solution that blends in or want to label items where the original appearance matters, this clear tape is ideal for organizing files, shelves, or containers without being obtrusive. What people say. This tape refill is fully compatible with my Brother label maker and works exactly as expected. It installs easily, prints clearly, and the labels adhere well without peeling. The light plate switch labels have been in place for a year or more. That area gets a lot of use and they are still legible and have not fallen off. They are easy to remove as needed. Fit my 15-plus-year-old Ptouch label maker after it finally ran out of tape. I love this, as a variety of tape colors to use for various projects, and all you do is take it in and out, super easy. Prints just like the name brand for a fraction of the cost. Number 3. Markdomain compatible label tape for Brother Ptouch. Our standard laminated label tape is built to last. It's resistant to high temperatures, water, and corrosion, ensuring your labels stay put. Available in a 12mm width, these tapes come in a variety of colors including white on berry pink, lime green, satin gold, matte light gray, and turquoise blue. These labels are ideal for organizing your office, bedroom, kitchen, and more. They are perfect for labeling various household items. You can rely on perfect compatibility with Brother ZU and TZ tapes. They are designed to work flawlessly with a wide range of Ptouch label makers. This tape is compatible with numerous Brother Ptouch models, ensuring you can label with confidence across many devices. Experience persistent and reliable labeling for all your organizational needs. These tapes offer a dependable solution for clear identification. What we like. This pack offers a variety of colors, including white text on berry pink, lime green, satin gold, matte light gray, and turquoise blue. The tapes are standard laminated and resistant to water, corrosion, and temperature. If you love to color code your organization or want to add a touch of style to your labels for home, office, or kitchen items, these vibrant options are perfect for making your labels stand out. What people say. I use these tapes for my Ptouch machine and they work wonderfully. The label quality is great. Easy installation. They fit perfectly. These cartridges produce a good quality label at a much lower cost than original equipment. Number 2. GREENCYCLE 6-pack compatible touch label maker tape ZU 231. Introducing the GREENCYCLE 6-pack compatible touch label maker tape. This set offers a variety of colors to meet all your labeling needs. Each tape features black print on a clear, white, red, blue, yellow, or green background. They are 12mm wide and 8 meters long, perfect for any task. These tapes are built to last. They are resistant to fading, water, grease, grime, abrasion, and temperature, ensuring your labels stay clear. Designed for convenience, they feature an easy-to-peel split backing. Plus, they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind. Achieve exceptional printing clarity and durability with these tapes. They are perfectly compatible with your touch label printers. Get the job done right with these reliable and versatile label tapes. They provide a long-lasting and professional finish for all your labeling projects. What we like. This value pack provides 6 different colored tapes, including clear, white, red, blue, yellow, and green, all with black print. They are standard laminated tapes that resist fading, water, grease, and abrasion. If you need a cost-effective way to get a variety of colors for everyday labeling tasks around the home, office, or school, this multicolor pack offers great versatility and durability. What people say. Very good quality. The smoothness of the labels when printing is great. Not all the noise I get from other tapes. Fit my unit perfectly. No problems with printing or sticking. These labels work perfectly. Nice to have all the colors and the printing is very clear. Number 1. Markdomain ZU 335 black tape replacement for Brother label maker. Introducing our premium replacement tape, designed for clarity and longevity. It's built to withstand water, grease, and fading, ensuring your labels stay legible in any condition. These tapes offer seamless compatibility with a wide range of Brother Ptouch label makers. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable performance with your existing device. Create clear, easy-to-read labels that help you quickly identify items. Organize your home or workspace more efficiently with these crisp white-on-black tapes. Featuring a convenient split backing, these tapes are designed for easy peeling and quick application. Labeling tasks become simpler and faster. Ideal for a variety of applications, these tapes adhere well to flat, dry surfaces both indoors and outdoors. Use them in your home, office, or school for comprehensive organization. This pack includes 5 rolls of high-quality label tape, ensuring you have plenty on hand for all your labeling needs. Keep your environment organized without interruption. What we like. This tape features high-contrast white text on a black background, ensuring excellent readability. It's laminated and resistant to water, grease, abrasion, and temperature fluctuations. If you need clear, bold labels for important items, storage bins, or warning signs where maximum visibility is key, the striking contrast of this black tape makes identification quick and easy. What people say. I use these tapes for my Ptouch machine and they work wonderfully. The label quality is great. Easy installation. They fit perfectly. These cartridges produce a good quality label at a much lower cost than original equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.